So good morning, everyone. Let us look at some levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty today. So I thought instead of posting all the charts in the group, it will be nice to post one video sharing all the views and analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. So first, let us look on Nifty. So right now, here you can see it is my daily chart on Nifty. First, I'll go on weekly. So if I look on weekly, so after a rise in price, you can see some bearish harami formed here, a big green candle and the red candle inside the green candle, which indicates some reversal, trend reversal here. So this is where we thought like once the previous low is broken, the market could fall. But we have also identified on daily chart, if I go to daily, right below the weekly level, there was this demand zone, so we expected market to bounce back from this level and then it may fall slowly. This is what I put the message on our group couple of days back. So if you see on my daily chart, the moment it broke that weekly low, it started bouncing back and slowly it is coming down. So what is going to happen now? Let us see. There are a couple of points to observe. So point number one, just give me a second. So it is right now, it is at interesting point. I mean Nifty. Let us look at it. Fine. See where the market is right now at some crucial point. How I am telling that? Let us put some line over here and see what we are observing here. See, this is a point at 18,100. It faced some strong resistance, and one more time it faced the strong resistance, and eventually it has broken this level. It came back, retraced that level, and it went much high. And right now it is at that crucial level. We are not sure if we get to see some bounce from this level. Even though if we get some bounce, eventually I feel the market could come down to this demand level, 18,389. We are not sure if it is going to happen today or couple of days back. Because of this trend line, there is a possibility even market can go little back, little up, and then maybe it can come down to this level. This level has a good significance because it is also coinciding with the weekly level. So right now, again, I am on my weekly chart. If you see the weekly chart, so there we have this beautiful demand zone, 17,838. So this is what we are expecting market to go there. And it is the same level, it is coinciding on my daily chart as well. So we will be aiming that. So this is not for intraday trade because we are not sure if it is going to come today, or maybe we may see some bounce back and it may eventually come down till to this level. Okay, so this is the bigger picture which we have to keep in mind. Now let us look for some intraday opportunities to see how it is going to be for intraday. Anyways, SGX Nifty is showing some negative indication. So on 15 minutes, we don't have any nearby demand zones, but one thing you can rely on was the round figure, 18,000. That whole number could stop the market, but let us see if there are any levels in little bigger time frame. So on 30 minutes, yeah. So on 30 minutes, if you see, we have some demand levels around 18,040. You can just take it as 18,000. So there is a high chance if the market fall like 100 points or 120 points, like till 18,000, we may see a bounce back, and then eventually market could come down. So don't expect the market to fall like in a single line. See the market, how they are coming down. Look at this chart. So it will come down and then it may small swing high. Again, it will come down. So it will eventually come down, but don't expect it to come down in one single candle. So even now, what I feel, maybe even if it comes down a little bit, maybe we may see some bounce back, and eventually in a week or so, we may go and hit the weekly level, which is our 18,300. So with the intraday view, there are no nearby demands. So, but we can give a try definitely at 18,300, 18,000 to go long. If you want the exact levels. So this is what we are looking at. You can try some calls or future long somewhere at 1840, and the stop loss is going to be almost like 100 points below this level. So that is the only intraday opportunity what I'm seeing here right now. And let me also quickly look at 5 minutes to see if there is anything for scalping. Yeah, remember, this is a nice level. If Nifty comes here, you can definitely go short in future, or ATM put you can try, and your stop loss has to be right above this zone, and your target can be 1:2. So stop loss is 37 points, so your target should be more than 70 points. I expect the closing, like wherever it has closed, this can be your first target. The moment it comes to the target, you can trail your stop loss to the buy price, and you can expect it to go much lower. So if at all, if you want to go for any short, put some trend line here. Only if it go below the trend line, then look for short. That is about Nifty. Bank Nifty. So this was the level which we marked yesterday around 43,000. We missed the entry just by few points. It came almost to the supply zone and it has fallen over there. If it moved like little another 50, 100 points above, definitely we would have entered short over there, positional short. It didn't give the opportunity, but now the next time, even again, it may work again, but I'm not sure how far we can rely on that. We'll see how the price reach that level, then I'll tell you during the market. Let us also look on bigger picture. So on bigger picture, if you see, we have this demand at 41,600. So there were two levels which were talking for very long time. One was 41,000, 42,500. So when market came to 42,500, on the same day we got bounce, and even on the next day it opened. If you see, almost like 500 points, we got like 500 points bounce back. It is staying much longer in this demand zone, so probably this may not work, or this may not hold the market. We can expect the market to come down till 41,600. And as I said, this is not in the view of intraday, but in couple of days we can expect this, because we may see some bounce back from the round figure 42, and eventually it can come down till 41,600. When you see any green candle from the demand zone, that is when we can try some positional longs. Okay, so that level is also coinciding on the weekly level. This is the weekly chart. It is also coinciding with the weekly level 41,600. So once it comes to 41,600, we can try to plan something long. Overall, the view on Bank Nifty is still bullish. You can see a swing high, swing low. It is making all upper highs and upper low. As long as it don't go below this demand zone, we can't tell market has turned into bearish. So that is the view on Bank Nifty. And coming to stocks, we have only one stock which we have been monitoring. It is RBL Bank. So on RBL Bank, we got this nice breakout. So this is where we thought of going long on weekly chart. So now on daily, if you see,
Good morning, Papa.
it is steadily in the uptrend. One can enter long here with stop loss below the trend line, which would be somewhere 150, 155. If the closing is like below 155, you can exit, or you can wait. You can hold on the long position with a first target of at least 200 rupees. So I'll keep you posted all other IFL and share count recommendations during the day. Thank you for watching.